Caption and Graphic is one of the new interface Adobe Premiere Pro has added to their final project, which has to do with Adobe 2022 all the way up. With this version of Adobe Premiere Pro, you can automatically generate caption for your video file. So for the purpose of this training, let's cut a section of this audio. So we've cut a section of this audio and we are going to switch to our caption and graphic workspace and make this interface easy for us to generate caption of our audio sound we have here. So for you to change that, you have to go to workspace or Windows workspace and then you check caption and graphics. It's going to switch on your text tab at the left side. Your source monitor will be here and then effect control will be here. Your program monitor, essential graphics will be here because you are going to deal with text, and then your project tab is also going to be here. In case you can't find anything, all that you need to do is for you to go to Windows and then you can switch on anything that you need to work with on your caption workspace. So you go to transcribe sequence. Whilst your file is selected, because if you deselect and you go to transcribe, it's going to it's going to generally translate everything. So you select what you want to transcribe, you click on transcribe sequence, English, mix, or you select the audio one, and then you click on transcribe. So automatically Adobe Premiere Pro is going to listen to the audio and then generate all the audio into text. Don't forget, it has to be in English or any available language Adobe Premiere Pro have in their caption generation. So this is the interface for caption and graphics. And you can see it's creating auto transcription for the audio file we have. And as you wait, you will see that it will be generating, transcribing it on our device, and then it will show the final text we have based on what is being said in this small audio file. So you can see you have to wait for it to load. It's telling me 16 minutes. So you can imagine the length to which you have to wait for this to load if you are dealing with a documentary of 5 minutes, which this one is just 5 minutes as well. So if you are dealing with longer ones, you should keep it in mind that it's going to take time. So caption and graphic is also one essential part of editing because it allows your readers to read the subtitles or your sub description of your video file. So as we wait for it to transcribe, I would like to take you through some few things you can look up to. As it's done transcribing, it will move it to caption side. You can add colors, you can change the colors, you can decide the number of text it should show per line. If you want double line or you want just one line, you can decide that you can increase the size, you can decrease the size, and you do that using essential graphics, which we will go into details with that. So I will jump this video for you to see the final aspect of it, and then I will take you through the other process left for the caption and graphics. So you can see our caption has automatically been generated and is indicating the speakers we even have. So if I want to move to the beginning of the audio, you can follow as I play the audio. So you see, the auto caption is finding it difficult to identify this audio and follow because the audio is not clear. So that's why you should also make sure you have clear audio, because if you have as clear as you have any audio that you have that is clear, it will be easier for you to edit them. But if your audio is not clear and there's movement, you are recording with your phone and you are trying to put in your earpiece and it's making that shaking sound, it's also going to affect your audio if you are generating caption. So you should keep that also in mind. So you can see as I play, my playhead is moving. So the more the playhead is moving, the more it will indicate where it is. And you can see there's a lot of mistake because the sound is not clear. But this same sound, if I get one that is clear, you see how best the AI will generate all the auto caption for you and leave some of the slang words that the person will say in the course of the preaching. But for the purpose of this training, I want you to see how you can generate caption and then add it to your video. So you go to create caption and then you do all your settings, maximum length in character, so the number of length um if you want a double line, a single line, if you want the number of characters, characters mean per word, the number of maximum is taking 42, so you can decrease it to 23. If you want huge caption, you can also change that and then you can click on create. So basically that's how you can create caption for your project.